Hi, I'm Renee. I clean, declutter, and organize my followers' homes for free. In this episode, I will be cleaning, decluttering, and organizing the spare bedroom and the closet. This is part 2 of a 3-part series. Click on the link above for part 1. While watching me efficiently organize and declutter this room, you can also streamline and declutter your phone service by opting for Mint Mobile. If you've ever thought about why is my wireless bill so high, then let me tell you about Mint Mobile, who I'm partnering with for today's video. You might already know Mint Mobile if you've seen those funny ads from Ryan Reynolds.
Hey there, it's Ryan Reynolds, owner of Mint Mobile. Enticing, right?
Who is also an owner, but let me quickly tell you about how awesome their service is. Mint Mobile offers premium wireless for as low as $15 a month, and you don't have to sacrifice any coverage, speed, or data. They're built on the nation's largest 5G network. They keep costs low because they sell direct to you online. They cut out the retail stores and salespeople. Why should you pay more than you have to for access to the same network? Click the link in my description or scan the QR code if you're interested in the best value in wireless. All Mint Mobile plans include unlimited nationwide talk and text, plus lightning-fast 5G and free mobile hotspot. Mint also offers a modern family plan that lets you set up a super affordable family plan with as little as 2 lines. I've used Mint Mobile because countless of satisfied customers have reached out to share their excitement about using Mint Mobile, and now it's your turn to join the revolution. I found Mint Mobile is designed to be user-friendly and easy to use for a variety of reasons. Firstly, they offer affordable plans that are straightforward and easy to understand. There are no hidden fees or complicated pricing structures, which makes it easier for users to select a plan that suits their needs and budget. Secondly, Mint Mobile's website and mobile app are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Switching to Mint is super easy. Thanks to their digital eSIM cards, you can sign up and activate immediately right on your phone from the comfort of your home. If your phone isn't eSIM compatible, Mint will ship you a new SIM card for free of charge. The whole process only takes 15 minutes, and if you get stuck, Mint has a great customer service team to help you through it. I thought it was going to be really hard to switch services, but it was super easy. If you're interested in reliable coverage and fast data for a fraction of the cost, go to mintmobile.com/lessmess to get started. Also linked in my description or scan the QR code. And if you've already made the switch, let me know in the comments. Go to our partner, https://mintmobile.com/lessmess to get premium wireless for as low as $15 a month. Make the switch today and start saving money without sacrificing quality. So what you've been watching me do is try to get to the closet so I can open the doors. And as I was going through the boxes, the homeowner was right there to let me know what she wanted to keep, donate, or throw away. Then once I got inside the closet, I started emptying things out to see what was in there. I also vacuumed inside the closet, and I had to do it in sections as I was moving things out. The black plastic shelving unit I had in my car, so I assembled it to be able to organize the items she wanted to keep. And you're probably noticing there's a lot of unopened boxes in this closet. And one of the boxes was a really good vacuum cleaner. She did not want to use her new items until she was able to get her house decluttered and get new carpeting and flooring installed. I spent 4 days in this 800 square foot home. The homeowner is in her mid-70s and has been struggling to declutter her house. So here's the backstory. This homeowner had many physical ailments: AFib, an abnormal heartbeat, fibromyalgia, 2 total knee replacements, and a shoulder that needs repaired. She is never married and for many years took care of her mother. She also spent 25 years as a sister in the Franciscan order, where she dedicated herself to serving the poor, the sick, and the marginalized. She is also an avid cat lover and had 8 cats in the home. She originally had quite a few more cats that were strays that were outside. I'm lucky enough to help this homeowner, and when you watch the video to the end, you're helping more families to declutter and organize their homes. Everything in this hope chest was a keep. Please feel free to hit the like button because it lets me know how useful this video is to you and if I should create more content like this. In part 1, she had me take some food that was in the kitchen and store it in plastic containers and carry it to this bedroom. She lives in a hurricane-prone area and has been known to be without power for at least 5 days at a time. So this bedroom served as storage for her emergency supplies and hurricane food. And once again, I have to vacuum the floor in sections because of the boxes. The goal was to put like items with like items in the containers. Also, any important paperwork had to go in a plastic container so it would not get ruined. I took down the curtains and started fixing the shades. Those curtains have seen better days, and she had a new set of curtains in inventory. She decided the shades had seen better days, and I took those down as well. The room looks so much bigger and brighter with the light coming in. So I'm going back to the other side of the bed to clean off the top of the bed. I'm pulling off a lot of blankets, sheets, and towels to be able to take them to the laundromat to wash that night. This is where some of the cats would hide out and sleep at night. And yes, there was quite a bit of cat hair, but we got that taken care of. All of the towels, blankets, and sheets are going into the trash bag, again to go to the laundromat. This is the door going into the spare bedroom and right by the cat litter. I'm so glad I could help this homeowner. Thank you so much for watching. My next video is ready for you to watch, and I'll see you there.